Welcome back to another episode of Demo Den. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of linked issues on Jira boards. This tutorial is going to revolutionize the way you manage project obstacles, optimize team collaborations, and streamline task progressions. By the end of this video, you'll be fully equipped to handle dependencies and complications in your Jira projects. Let's jump straight into our tutorial, shall we? Our first step is to correctly link our issues. This is critical because issues need to have the right associations to reflect their actual status in your project. Let's start by navigating to the issue that's being held up. This is the task that's caught in a roadblock and cannot progress. Look for a plus icon on your screen and click on it. It's labeled as Link Issue. Here's where you need a keen eye for detail. From the options, you'll need to select the link type is blocked by. It might not sound like much, but this crucial step creates a checkpoint that alerts us that there's a problem barring the progress of our task. After that, it's time to call out the culprit, the one that's causing our holdup. Enter the key of the blocking issue, and voila, you've just linked two related issues. The second half of our journey is about visualizing these dependencies on the board. You may have noticed that Jira Cloud doesn't actually reveal these dependencies to you explicitly. But remember, where there's a will, there's a hack. You have two primary ways to surface these covert dependencies. Let's begin with Method A, a quick, efficient way to add clarity to your board. This method uses the flag feature and is pretty straightforward. First, select the blocked issue on your board. This is the one that you just linked as being held back. Next, navigate to the More Actions menu. Now don't rush this part, take a moment to locate the icon. It holds the secret to flagging dependencies. Once you've opened the menu, select Add Flag. This, my friends, is like waving a red flag at a bull. It immediately puts your team on high alert. A red flag icon and a yellow highlight will fascinate your card, making it impossible to ignore. It's like the board is screaming out loud, hey, this item can't move forward until we iron out some issues. Now you definitely agree life, or in this case, project progression, is much easier when we know exactly what's standing in our way, right? And just like that, we've dived into the depths of managing dependencies on Jira and emerged victorious. Remember, when you uncover and address the hidden links and dependencies in your tasks, your whole team can work together more efficiently and your projects can progress with fewer interruptions. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you found it enlightening and useful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your teammates. Have any questions or thoughts, drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Remember to subscribe for more powerful tutorials, helping you get the most out of your tools. Until next time, happy organizing.